kalulunod na na ragasan ng korupsyon sa ating bansa.
O sige pa, ano pa? Ano pa, boys?
Mogs, dagdagan mo.
labas nyo na lahat ng ano. And also,
Baha
special
talaga
guest
dito
today.
sa Maynila. Kayo naman.
One news,
Baha na naman kahapon. Konting ulan, baha na dun eh.
and also, we've got One News Defense Editor Manny Mogoto joining us today.
Mogs, mukhang
Magandang
Hi,
Lunes.
morning. Oh.
Hello,
Ano
magandang
ba yan,
Lunes
Mogs?
at Happy National Heroes Day.
Okay, wait. First and foremost, I think I have to correct myself. Parang may mali sa script. I said Armed Forces Chief General Antonio Navarrete. It's still Browner, right?
Yes,
It should
Browner.
be.
It's
So
still
it should
Browner.
be. It's not
Navarrete
Navarrete.
is the Army Chief.
Correct. He's the Army,
Army
Chief.
Chief siya.
Ang binasa ko kanina is Armed Forces Chief General Antonio Navarrete. It should be General Bronner, Romeo Bronner. He is still
Yes.
the Army AFP Chief.
So, na-justify na yung sahod ni Manny Mugato dahil na-correct na.
Okay, back to sleep, Manny.
Ano?
Okay, simulan natin sa
Oh, Mogs, di ba?
Okay.
Andiyan kayo si Mogs eh. Tatanong ko, Mogs, bakit parang nagpapaliwanag si Secretary Kibo na tungkol sa fake news, no? Tungkol dito sa presence ng Chinese vessel sa Scarborough. 'Di ba? Last week lumabas kasi na nadagdagan daw yung presence. Ang sabi ni Gibo, okay maniwala sa mga fake news. Pero at the same time, inadmit niya na minsan dadami, minsan hindi. So ano ba talaga? Dumami ba talaga o hindi? Paano si Powell ang nagsabi? No, si Powell ang nagsabi na may dramatic increase sa Scarborough ng Chinese vessel.
Si Ray Powell.
Si Ray Powell.
Actually, doon sa Ayungin, nagkaroon din ng dagdag. Dahil, nagkaroon ng Coast Guard exercise, no? May parang binobomba ng water cannon yung kanilang Coast Guard ship na imaginary vessel ng Pilipinas, no? O kung sino mang bansa yan. Pero binobomba na yung tubig na walang barko, no? Tapos may mga 11 rubber boats na paikot-ikot doon sa Sierra Madre, nakakala mo atakihin nila, no? Pero sila ay binlock ng ating rubber boats. Yan.
Pero
Doon
what was
naman
the
sa,
purpose of
sa
Secretary Gibo's statement?
Scarborough,
Mogs?
talagang maraming barko doon ng China.
Ang tanong ko lang, Mogs, what was the purpose of Secretary Gibo's statement?
Who was he talking to?
Ano bang gusto niya ipaliwanag?
Hindi ko rin maintindihan kasi
Hindi niya naintindihan.
neither here, there, or di ba? Parang, ano ba talaga? Meron ba talaga? Wala. Diba? Yung statement niya hindi malinaw.
Oo.
Pero talagang, if you will look at the situation, there was really an increase ng presence and activities ng China. Hindi lang sa Ayungin at sa Bao de Masinloc, pati na sa other parts of the Philippine held features, no? Doon sa may Pag-asa, sa Lawak, marami din nakapaikot na Chinese vessels.
Mogs, related siguro yun dun sa yung joint exercises natin with Canada and Australia, di ba? Kapag may mga ganyan nag-intensify din yung, although hindi sila nakikipagsabayan.
Hindi, sa top
din sila
avenue,
before
Mogs.
or after.
Nakita mo, Mogs, sa top avenue? May Chinese vessel ako nakita eh.
China,
Top Avenue?
Yung
Rubber boat o frigate?
Mogs, nakita ko ba sa top avenue? May Chinese vessel doon Nung bumaha, nung
Sa
isang
baha?
araw. Sa top
Sa baha.
avenue.
Oh, sa baha.
Mga
Hindi,
tito joke.
actually, ang kasi, China, minomonitor yung joint sale ng Canada, Australia at Pilipinas. At the same time, yung ginawang malaking amphibious landing dyan sa Palawan.
Palawan.
Oh, na inobserve ni Australian Defense Minister Richard Marles at si Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro.
The Deputy Prime Minister.
Pinanood nila yung
Australia.
exercise.
Nagaganyan sila lagi. Basta merong ganyang mga exercises, nag-intensify din sila.
Oh.
And the Philippines signed a new defense agreement with Australia. That's why si Deputy Prime Minister Marles was in town, right? That's why he came here. commitment to working together to maintain peaceful, secure, and prosperous region where sovereignty is respected is the quote that they've shared with us in regards to exercise Alon, which is what they call the Australia-Philippines joint drills.
Yeah.
Yan daw yung largest overseas exercise ng Australia.
Yeah.
It's being done every 2 years. Nag-start noong 2023. No? So, this year, merong Australian destroyer, merong anti-submarine aircraft na P-8, no? May F-18, at may air refueling tanker yung pinadala yung Australia. Yan.
Mogs, meron na tayong yung status of visiting forces agreement with Australia. Recently, nagkaroon tayo ng strategic partnership. Ano ba yung nadagdag doon? Kung sakasakali. It's a
Actually-
strategic partnership.
Actually, yung pinag-usapan nila this year, yung Australia ay nag-express ng intention to construct 8 military structures in 5 locations in the Philippines, no, sa Philippine bases. Na parang EDCA, no? Parang EDCA yung gusto nila.
Parang EDCA.
Parang EDCA. Pero ang problema, yung EDCA with the US is anchored on the 1951 Mutual Defense
MDT.
Treaty. Oo. And yung visiting force agreement, hindi sa allowed na magtayo ka ng mga structures. Ang Australia, wala tayong defense treaty, only a visiting forces agreement. So, hindi ko alam, baka magpirmahan next year ng another treaty for the construction of structures, no? Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Tingin ko, nagpe-prepare yung Australia to deploy, no? Boots on the ground and aircraft to the Philippines, parang US, na niro-rotate yung kanilang tropa para sa exercises. Kasi kung magastos nga naman, kung dadalhin ng Australia every time na may exercise, yung kanilang aeroplano, mga sundalo, mga gamit-gamit, no? Kung nandito na, ay madali na, no?
Pero di ba, Mogs, yung EDCA is basically, ang gumogovern pa rin dyan is the Visiting Forces Agreement with the Americans.
Hindi,
Dahil kwan pa rin yan parang
MDT.
visiting na, na paikot. Tapos yung structures na itatayo ay hindi permanent. No?
Hindi permanent, oo. Kasi yung yung EDCA, pag after ng 10 years, atin na yan.
Well, actually,
Pero nag-intensify din kasi ang ang Australia. Nag-intensify talaga sila ng presence nila, military dito sa area natin Dahil nag-aalala sila, they haven't kept it secret naman na nag-aalala talaga sila sa, they call it the hybrid warfare being launched by China.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Including against them. Hindi naman nila pinagkakaila yun.
Ang
Oo,
problema
pero
kasi
alam
ng
mo,
Australia,
Ami,
Mogs,
ang
di ba?
problema kasi
Australia
yung
is not a
China,
Australia is not a
conduct
naval
ng
power.
exercise sa Tasman Sea.
May lagyata.
Kaya kinabahan yung Australia.
Yeah.
Di ba, Mogs,
Yeah.
ang isang problema ng Australia, Australia is not considered a naval power.
Ay, hindi, maliit.
Maliit lang ang navy niyan
Maliit ang Navy, maliit ang Air Force, maliit ang Army.
Mas malit ang New Zealand. Well,
But,
the reason we brought Mogs here today is not just to talk about the West Philippine Sea and regional issues, but also because Mogs is sa ating lahat siya yung pinakamatagal sa industriya ng hindi si Ami ba? Si Mogs, no?
Sabay kami
Si
ni
Mogs.
Ami.
Sabay daw sila.
Tinuro
Sabay
ka
daw
ng
sila.
Mogs eh. Tinuro ka ni Ami.
Sabay kami, 1983.
Ibig sabihin,
sabay
parehas
nga
kayo
kami.
70 years
Oo.
old.
Huwag mo
Sabay
na
kami.
nag-vlog, Mogs. Huwag mo na
sabay
sabihin yung
kami.
year.
Sabay kami.
Okay, so anyway, go on.
We're bringing in Mogs, of course, with Dami as well, to talk about a lot of issues that have cropped up over the past few days. Specifically, everybody's piling on dun sa issue ng
The role of the media in all of this.
yeah, and allegations and insinuations that some money changed hands with regard to some interviews. si Mog has a lot of experience. No, I don't mean to... Sorry.
Ibig sabihin, marami siyang tinanggap.
Let me rephrase that. Teka. Let me rephrase that. Si Mog has seen a lot of these things over the past, 4 decades. Actually, may kinikwento pa si Mog kanina eh. Ito lang January o February, nung pag-retire ni PNP Chief Marbil, may sundot pa si Marbil eh.
Oo. Pero ito, shameless promotion.
Oh.
Yung
Nasa-
aking book.
Tayo.
Oh, yan. Kasi di sa book ko, diniscuss ko yung corruption in media. Oo.
Bigyan mo kami ng excerpts, Smogs.
Sige,
Mga
sige.
samples.
Sinasabi ko na nung police reporter ako, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng police station sa Manila Police. Doon pa lang sa opisina,
Western
may
Police.
50 pesos na every week sa iba-ibang opisina.
Hindi ka na kailangan umorbit.
Hindi ka na kailangan morbid, doon lang sa opisina.
Okay, so papasok ka lang, you'll be given the money, tapos, ano gagawin mo?
Punta siya ng
What's
beer
it
house.
for? Hindi, just to be clear.
Ibig sabihin, kailangan maganda report mo sa mga polis. Hindi mo sila pwedeng banatan.
So, understood yun. Klaro yun sa mga kumukuha, tumatanggap.
Parang gano'n, klaro naman. Pero parang, alam mo, kalakaran noon nung before EDSA, before 86, na may tinatawag na orbit.
Orbit.
Umiikot yung mga reporter sa different police station.
Nagsisimba.
Oo,
Nagsisimba, simbahan.
10 pa lang nun yung
Hindi
police
lang-
station sa
hindi
Manila.
lang
May
sa police
chapel,
station.
merong simbahan, may cathedral dyan.
Hindi lang sa police station pati sa mga waiting lodge, tsaka sabungan, sa mga kung saan illegal. Pinakapasala ng reporter yan. Pati peryahan, naku, pambihira naman, oo.
What's the-
just to add some detail there. Kasi among reporters and editors as well, merong may konsepto ng Mogs, bear me out here. Laughing money at crying money.
Yes, oo.
Ano yun?
To some members of the media, ang laughing money is more acceptable than crying money. Kasi ang laughing money ay perang hindi mo hinihingi.
Kusang loob.
But
na
explain
binigay.
to everyone why it's called laughing money.
Because supposedly the donor is smiling when he gives it, hindi pa iyakan. Versus crying money na ikaw humingi, so parang paiyakan ng pagbigay.
Parang weteng sa mga LGUs. Kahit hindi ka humingi, may darating sa office mo.
Goodwill, kumbaga.
Ganon.
Parang
Pang
goodwill.
merienda.
Oo.
Ano pa ba yung mga euphemisms?
There are a lot of people kasi who make that distinction in order to justify yung accepting accepting
naman hiningi.
money. Hindi ko naman hiningi. Hindi naman makapekto sa hindi naman makapekto sa story ko yan eh.
So they can
Oo.
justify it
Binigay mo
themselves.
Oo.
Okay.
Regalo yan bigay yan
Versus yung bigyan mo ako ng this much every month.
Hindi kita ba?
Extortion na yun.
Hindi.
Parang
Hindi kita
you're extorting
babanatan.
the
Yun
other
ang crying
party.
money.
Hindi kita babanatan.
ECDC ang tawag nila doon. Diba? That's one of the first things I learned when I came back here.
Actually,
Exchange deal. Exchange deal.
meron meron yung counterpart sa mga police. Sa mga police, remember, Mogs, may interview tayo sa wag po dating policeman. Ang pagkakabanggit niya, sa kanila, merong, sa PNP, sa dating police, merong smiling money at may crying money. So, more or less pareho rin Pag ikaw investigador, pag binigyan ka ng kusa ng inimbestigahan mo, kaya ng taong bayan, ng pera na hindi mo hinihingi, that's smiling money, na pwede raw tanggapin.
Malinis ang konsensya mo.
Versus,
But that's how
bigyan mo
they
ako ng ganito.
justify
Yes.
it. Pero
Yeah, yeah.
technically, it's the same thing.
It's the same, it's the
Right.
same thing.
Oo.
It's the same thing. That's how some people try to make that
Mas madali ka
nuancing.
matulog sa gabi.
If you can lie to yourself like
kasi-
that.
yes.
Kasi meron
Kung
daw
ligaw
tayong,
talaga yung moral
give-
compass mo.
giving culture. Kaya sa waiter nga, nagbibigay ka ng tip, di ba? Oh, so parang gano'n lang yun. Smiling
Ang
money.
tanong, Mogs, is it the norm or the exception? From my vantage
kalakaran.
point, di naman kasi ako media sa
Baka ikaw yung namimigay.
anecdotal kasi, parang mas marami yung tumatanggap kaysa hindi tumatanggap.
Sadly.
Hindi ko alam yung laughing money at smiling money. Alam ko lang yung AC/DC. Pati nga si FBR, sinabi yun eh.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Oo, di ba? Alam mo
Attack,
yun,
collect,
sinabi niya.
defend,
Sino ba
collect.
sa inyo? Attack, collect, defend, collect. Pati si yung nag-suicide na AFP chief, sinabi niya.
Si ano,
He got into trouble with that, di ba?
Angelo
Sinabi niya.
Reyes.
Reyes.
Bigyan nyo nga sa akin yung listahan ng mga genuine na journalist kasi yung iba dito sa listahan nyo, AC/DC lang to.
Oh,
And he
wow.
got a lot of flack over that.
Si FBR to, Ami? This is...
Hindi, si FBR sinasabi din yan. Siya yung nauna nagsabi niyan.
Tsaka di ba, Ami, usually kasi dyan, may operator na media, siya yung bagsakan ng pera. Siya yung tigabigay.
Yung iba hindi. Yung iba kanya-kanya yun.
Diretso na. Ako kasi may kakilala ko,
yung iba.
may
Kasi
kakilala
yung iba
ko
dyan,
na
talagang
bagsakan
protector
eh.
ng
Bagsakan
yung
siya.
panahon namin na. Ewan ko ngayon.
At kasama sa
Hindi ko
kanyang
alam.
ginagawa ay ino-over-report niya yung listahan.
Nambubukol.
Oo, nambubukol siya.
Meron
sabihin niya,
yan.
binigyan ko
Maraming
ganito
gumagawa
karami.
yan. Hindi
Yung
lang
pala,
sa pulisyon.
Yung pala, hindi lang ganun karami. Diba, binigyan ko mga 40 na media. Yung pala, binigyan niya 20 lang. Pero nakalasa
So he
listahan.
keeps the difference.
Oo.
Tinatago sa kanya yun.
Bukol.
Bukol ang tawag doon.
Hindi lang sa ano
Nambubukol,
yun.
nabubulan
Hindi lang
ka.
sa pulisyon, pati sa ibang agency.
Pero yung pangalan
Kasi kung
mo, nasa
minsan,
listahan niya.
yung ibang yung ibang
Kahit
opisyal,
na hindi mo talaga
Kahit hindi mo
nagbe-verify.
tinanggap. Kaya sasabihin sa'yo,
Kung minsan, yung ibang opisyal nagbe-verify.
kaya sasabihin
Papadala
niya
yung
sa'yo,
listahan sa'yo, nandito ka sa listahan ko eh. Nakuha mo ba? Magugulat ka na lang. Paano ako napunta rito? Kaya alam mo. Merong mga ganyan, marami yan. No?
So
tsaka-
dumadaan sa fixer yung ano yun? Nambubukol.
Distribute.
Meron magbibigay ng
Yeah.
pangalan. Sabi niya, eto, bibigyan ko to lahat. Ako bahala sa inyo. Tapos, yan nagbibigay, siyempre magbe-verify, may kwarta yan eh. Tatanungin ka, okay, tatanungin ka, natanggap mo ba yung yung ganito-ganito, tapos papadala ka, ito yung listahan. Kaya alam mo na may ganon.
kaya yung broker
Ayan.
na lalapit sa'yo, sasabihin sa'yo, tanggapin mo na, dahil sa listahan ka rin.
No.
Pero hindi
May kwento ko dyan. 2007 elections, senatorial elections yun. Ako noon ang head ng ABC5 News. I was the news manager then. Again, senatorial elections. So I cannot tell you the name of the candidate kasi hindi mo yung candidate mismo yung kausap ko. Just one of his operators, I suppose.
Si Kwan yan.
In-invite ako for dinner. Sabi sa akin, Ed, kasi tutulungan ko si ganun-ganon for the Senate. Tumulong ka na rin. Ganito gawin natin. Bigyan mo lang sa akin ng bank account number mo, kami na bahala sa'yo.
ay kilala ko to.
Ano?
Nakwenta ko na to. Hindi ko.
Bigyan mo lang sa akin ng bank account number
Wala
mo, kami na bahala
nakakarating
sa'yo.
sa akin.
Sabi ko naman, teka, hindi ko pwedeng gawin yan. Naghihigipit ako sa opisina eh. Tapos gagawin ko yan. Diba, outright, that's not allowed. That's wrong.
Bigay mo na lang kay Manny Mogato.
But we...
Dapat ganun sila.
Pero ito yung balik niya. Wala kang choice, tanggapin mo na. Kasi nailabas na yung pera, tanggapin mo o hindi, nasa pangalan mo na yan as far as the source
Yeah.
knows.
As far as the source knows.
So he's forcing you to accept it.
Even though you never did.
I don't even know how much we're talking about. Kasi if I ask kung magkano ba...
Ay, di parang you're willing to
Interesado
negotiate.
Okay, let's negotiate.
Interesado siya. Oo.
But the point of all of this is to say na it does happen.
Yeah, it does happen.
It does happen.
Yeah.
We have to
Yeah.
face it head on.
And we have to be clear.
We have to be clear. And, it's going to take a lot of self-reflection in the industry, right? In terms of the issues that this has brought up. Kasi hindi lang naman honestly sa crime beat. For instance, because of this,
Yeah.
because sumabog na tong issue na to, one of my sources calls me, and this is a very trusted source. He says, have you ever heard of these things called column feeds? Do you guys know what it is?
Ponente.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Paid,
matagal na
paid,
rin yan.
paid
Minsan
ponente.
parang
So,
syndicated yan eh, pare-parehas.
if ito yung if a law firm wants to sway public opinion one way or the other, they have one of their lawyers write a column, feed it to the columnists. The columnists will print it.
Or tweak it a bit lang to make it
Konti
sound
lang,
like it's him.
pero make it sound like it's him, pero more or less it's the exact same column, and they get paid for that. And the going
May
rate is
nangyari na nga na, yung dalawang kolumnista, parehong-pareho yun nilabas.
yes, so this also happens. So in the
Pati-
yeah.
Pati punctuation marks.
Na-booking tuloy.
Pareho talaga. Nangyayari na yun.
Tawag ng iba dyan kasi PR.
PR ba yun?
May tawag ng iba.
So, sabi sa akin ng source ko, sa amongst the law firms, may listahan din sila. Alam nila sino tatawagan. Let's say,
May mga kilala kasi ako ng PR, no? Meron silang mga stable.
Parang kabayo.
Mga stable yan.
that's not PR.
May regular yan. No? May regular, tapos may dagdag. Pag halimbawa, meron kang, yung regular kasi, para manatili sa stable mo, binibigyan mo yan monthly.
It is
no?
PR.
That's not
It's
PR.
special release.
No, that's not PR. This is where the lines get blurry. That's not PR. PR.
It's special release nga, PR.
The end goal of PR is still earned media. Did you earn that coverage or not? Siyempre, yung PR agency will try to seed press releases, blah, blah, blah. That's paid.
Bilit ka na.
Literally. Hindi ba? No, that's
Nakalagay yun. May nakalagay yun
That's a
doon.
very-
It's an advertorial.
Wag the dog
Required
is
yun.
PR. Eh.
wag the...
Wag the dog is PR.
Merong
wag the
retainer
dog,
fee.
hindi naman yung usapin what is true or what is not. No? It's about the spin.
The spin.
Spin.
So,
At
ultimately...
ba't ka naman mag-i-spin nang walang bayad? Di ba? So, bibigyan kita para i-spin ito in such a way, ganun mo. At sabihin ng iba, hindi, kwan yan eh. PR yan eh.
Yeah.
Di ba? PR is about spin.
Yeah, I get it.
yeah,
But this, it gets really... The lines get
May
really
gray,
blurry.
may gray area.
If we say that column feeds or yung mga bukol is the same as PR.
Parang kasabihin mo kasi dyan, yung condensed milk ay very healthy than fresh milk.
Saan galing yun?
Hindi, PR yun eh. So, may sa mga advertisement ng mga bata kami, di ba? Na mas healthy ang canned milk kesa sa fresh milk. Oh, totoo ba yun? Of course, hindi.
Yeah.
Pero
Just like the
PR
sugar,
yun.
just the sugar industry,
Diba?
right?
It's
They lobbied
advertisement.
for,
It's about, di ba?
Patapon sa gatas.
because we're talking about truth in media,
Okay. But
right?
the reason we're talking about it's not to cast judgment on everything that's happening now. Ako lang dapat mulat sa pool klaro sa ating lahat eh. Kung dapat hindi.
Pero wala pa kayong mga rules dyan dati pa? Dahil ang tagal na kasi ng media eh.
Well,
Sa 100 years old eh. So,
we all have our own code of ethics. At the same time naman kasi, these are things that you don't even have to put in black and white. Much as, of course, it's good if you have it in black and white. But these are things you don't have to put in black and white because it's understood na may bawal, may hindi.
ganun din sa politika eh.
Tinuturo siya
Merong
sa
bawal, merong hindi, pero lahat
journalism
ginagawa
school.
yung hindi eh. Diba? Kaya nga gumagawa ka ng mga rules para sa lahat. Dahil nga, pag ina-assume mo na sinusunod ng lahat yung rules na yan, yung unwritten rules, mabibigo ka.
Well, we do have a code of ethics.
Okay. Ami, what were you saying? What do you think about this whole
Tinuturo
issue?
yun sa journalism school, yung code of ethics. But it's not enforceable eh.
Wala naman in our industry is
Wala
enforceable.
nag-enforce.
Yeah, because it's all
Ang pang-enforce mo
self-regulated.
dyan is the libel law.
Yeah, because it's all
Or
self-regulated.
abuse of the abuse of freedom of the press and expression. Yan yung libel law.
Pero yung some
Yun yung
agencies-
usually ituturo yung code of ethics sa'yo in relation to the libel laws.
Pero
Para ka mag-ingat.
sometimes yung mga agencies merong ombudsman like the Inquirer, ABS-CBN, merong ombudsman na nagpupulis.
O kaya may legal advisor. May legal consultant on all these things.
Covered ba lang
Kasi
ombudsman yung walang
kasi remember ang libel law natin. Truth is not a defense in libel eh. It's malice.
Maybe we should
No.
get an
Very
ombudsman.
basic.
Malice eh.
Yung ombudsman o yung
Ma-convict ka
UNIF?
for malice.
Oo, that's true, no? Kayo
And
ba,
sa malice, pumapasok dyan yung code of ethics.
kayo, Ami, do you have an ombudsman? How do you settle ethical
Meron
issues
kami
like
legal
this?
we have a legal advisor and
Oh, pero pag ethics, yung issue, kayo na yon. Those are the editors, right?
Kami yun.
Yeah.
Kami
Ami, paano covered ba ng ombudsman pag wala kang sahod?
May kape ka naman eh. May kape ka naman eh. Bok, kwento ko lang. Kami kasi ni Mogs, sometimes we are asked to talk about ethics with the reporters and editors, both Metro Manila and the provinces. Diba? Mogs minsan na-invite tayo sa ganun eh.
Same par.
Usually ano yan eh, when you start the discussion, usually ibabato namin yung tanong sa inyo eh, sa mga participants, editors and reporters. Nagkakasundo ba tayong lahat na bawal tumanggap ng pera? Oo, bawal. Lahat yan, no? Unanimous lahat yan. Bawal tumanggap ng pera. Oo, masama yan.
Ay, birthday
At the
ko
start, ganun. At the start, ganun. Pero as the day goes on, you will realize na marami pala silang exceptions and exemptions.
That they think in their minds is okay.
Pag birthday,
For example,
Christmas, di ba?
Mogs, ikaw, for example. Example,
Hindi ka
Pag
narinig.
birthday mo, tsaka Christmas.
pag birthday. Di ba pag birthday, pwede naman. Pag Pasko, pwede naman. Pag holidays, pwede naman.
Where do they pick that up? Or at one point in their career, do they start to think, oh, pwede naman to, pwede naman yan, when they start to,
One
get a
thing or
little
the
bit
other,
looser?
Pwedeng namanan niya yung kalakaran doon sa
From
community, from
the
the
people that
Normally,
came before
kalakaran.
them.
kalakaran.
Normally, kalakaran.
Yun. Or self-justification.
Or meron kang bisyo.
Yun.
Diba? Bisyo mo na magsugal o bisyo mo na bumili ng luxury cars. Hindi ko sinasabing may mga kakilala akong gano'n, ha?
Pero itong sa ganitong level,
Tinatanggap na nila yan.
Kung yun yung vision
Tito
mo,
Ronald,
why would you go into journalism?
Tito Ronald,
Ha?
but
Exactly.
sa ganitong level that we're talking about, itong pag-birthday ganun. Normally ito mga small amounts eh. Ito yung yung
Doon naman nagsisimula yun, eh.
Yeah, pero ako I'd like to make the distinction between although parehong mali, there's a distinction between people, especially yung mga very very lowly paid o yung walang sahod o yung binabayaran lang per story lamang at talagang halos wala versus yung kilalang kilala o malaking sahod o regular pero kumukuha pa rin dahil merong bisyo o dahil gusto ng
No, ang bisyo ko, Hermes bag.
Oh, meron ka?
Ay, bisyo ko.
They're
Di ko
both
kaya-
wrong.
Ako,
di
hindi
ko
mo
kaya-
dinadala dito.
Hindi ko kayang bilhin yun dahil wala naman akong TF.
Tanong tayo.
So, ganun.
Di ba?
Hindi mo kaya yung
Pareho
Hermes,
sila
pero meron
mali,
kang ano,
pero magkaiba yung degrees eh.
meron kang jet. Hindi mo kaya Hermes, but you have a chopper.
Chopper.
Kasi yung isa, Bok, yung
Yeah,
isa...
there are degrees.
Teka, gulo dyan. Kasi yung isa, rightly or wrongly, actually wrongly, it's a matter of survival. Yung isa naman, it's a matter of bisyo. Or sometimes greed.
Bisyo.
Diba? They're both wrong, pero ibang degrees, iba rin ang pagtingin sa kanila dapat eh. Is one more acceptable than the other?
Both are wrong.
Both are wrong.
Both are wrong.
But it's just
But
that
you could almost
saan ka
forgive
dapat,
the one who has to do it for a living. Siguro they have a passion for media, for journalism. They want to stick it out, pero it doesn't. Nobody gets rich reporting reporting news,
magugulat
right?
ka sa mga seminar na parang, di ba sir, okay naman basta hindi hiningi? O kaya, di ba okay naman basta kusang binigay, goodwill money lang yan? O kaya, dahil ginawa ko siyang ninong eh.
Hindi, kaya nga sinasabi ko kanina, yung iba kasi, naso-soften yan dahil parang meron kang regular na allowance sa isang PR firm or isang PR guy, di ba? Walang pinapagawa sa'yo. Regular yun.
Parang
Until-
retainer.
Goodwill
It's
money.
called a retainer.
Oh, pero mahal na retainer, 50,000-60,000 naman. Until may ipapagawa sa'yo.
In which case you can't say
Hindi ka
no.
naman makatanggi.
Oo.
Tapos may dagdag na bayad yun.
So that happens then.
Oo. Pero naso-soften dahil matagal ka naman yung ka-network eh. Diba? May stipend ka naman eh. Until merong critical moment na kakailanganin ka na niya for an media operation. Either katayin yung kalaban or depensahan yung kakampi. Dun,
Then you call in your
Oo.
you
The call in the favor.
on
The call in the
yes.
But and then there's also the ones who leave the media and become fixers, right? For
Or PR firms.
politicians or PR firms. Marami din ganon, I hear, right?
Oo. Kasi mas malaki bayad dun eh.
Alam ni Ronald to. Sige, kwento mo.
Wala akong alam sa malaking bayad.
Wala kang alam sa malaking bayad.
Oo.
You can't afford an
Okay.
Hermes bag na eh.
Pero hindi lang sa PR firm yan eh, pati sa mga government offices talagang may naka-budget for media. No? Kaya nga yung
Iba rin yun.
nangyari nung January, di ba, nung
Pwede
mag-retire
mo
yung
kwento yun,
isang
Mom? So,
police chief.
off the record yun.
Oo, yan. Nagpa-interview, inahabol ng mga reporter, yung police chief. no?
Outgoing.
Oo, outgoing kasi intervene daw. Sabi ng pulis, bet ngayon nyo lang ako i-intervene. Sayang lang binabayad ko sa inyo. So sabi ng mga reporter, Sir, ano? Wala kang natanggap. Yung pala, may binigyan.
May
Nagkabukulan.
Nagkabukulan.
may binigyan dun sa beat reporters, isa sa kanila.
Yes, oo. Nagkabukulan.
Na siya dapat yung media shepherd.
Oo.
How much are we
Hindi,
talking, Mogs?
Press corps.
At taga
Diba?
press corps.
Oo.
Hindi ng Malacanang.
Ay, hindi.
PNP to eh.
PNP.
PNP, oo.
PNP chief.
Di ba, when was it? Nung, yung...
This year. Early this year.
Hindi, I was gonna say, doon na-expose din yung kalakaran sa airport. Yung may nababayaran amongst the people that cover yung sa airport, ano yun?
Tulak
Immigration.
boys.
Ano tawag doon, Ami?
Tulak boys.
Was it Tulak Boys?
Yung
Hindi
nagpo-porter.
reporter.
Well, porter
Hindi
in-
nagpo-porter. Parang
Hindi na sila reporter, porter
Sumusundo.
sumusundo. Yes.
Tutulak na bagahe.
Well, tawag nila doon porter eh kasi parang
Para kang porter.
parang porter eh.
But you can get in kasi you have the media pass. So you have access to these
Pero
areas.
marami doon sa sinasabi ni Mogs, yung mga government agencies, ang tawag dyan, envelopmental journalism. Dahil usually, hindi naman
matagal na
binibigay
yan.
sa'yo ng cash nakalagay yan sa envelope. Pero understood na
Hindi na
yun.
uso yun.
Hindi,
Panahon pa yun.
panahon na namin yun. Panahon
pa
namin yan ng
yun.
80s,
Ngayon,
no?
diretso 80 na.
Ngayon, Gcash na.
2007 nga na sabi ko.
Merong
80
envelope,
sa akin.
ibigay sa'yo yung envelope, no? Parang normal yun. It's the normal thing to do. No? Ngayon kasi, kung sa GCash kasi, may record may resibo. Delikado yun, ha? No? Kung halimbawa magkakasuhan, pwedeng pakita ng bangko na, naka-receive ka ng ganito. No, from ganito. No, kaya yung iba, mas gusto pa rin nila yung
Cash.
dating
Cold
gawin.
hard cash.
Oo, cold cash.
Cash, oo.
Para walang resibo, walang record.
Walang trails.
Kaya pag sinabihan ka na, uy pare, yung ulo mo, ang dami ng bukol, kailangan mo ng helmet, ibig sabihin, nabubukulan ka.
Ibig sabihin, ginagamit yung pangalan mo para tumanggap ng
Ginagamit
pera.
ang pangalan mo. Oo.
Meron pang isang term dyan. Tiane.
Ha?
Ano yung tiyan eh?
Tiane. Kung yung tiane, kunyari, ang binigay na allowance, 5,000, yung ibibigay sa iyo ng handler, 3,000 lang. So yung 2,000 kinuha niya. Kaya tawag doon tiane.
Another kind ng bukol.
Oo.
Yung binigay sa'yo, binawasan.
Binawasan.
Pero nakalista
oo.
yung pangalan mo at tumanggap ka.
So, na-depress ka.
Usually kasi yung source, hindi na nagtatanong yun eh. No?
Basta, as far as he's concerned, he set aside money for that.
Yeah.
Tapos
Saka
yun.
yung source
Saka
usually may middleman yan.
usually yung source mo na yan ay overflowing with cash. Hindi na naiisip na may bumubukol. No, yun yung point. Unless yung nagbigay sa'yo ay talagang tikoy, gusto niya masigurado, no?
Tiko.
Nakain mo.
Gusto niya masigurado na nakaabot sa'yo.
Ang tikoy ba acceptable? Is it,
Tikoy?
Hindi ko alam yung tikoy.
Ay, hindi. You're talking about what's acceptable.
Oo.
Iba-ibang news organizations, iba-iba yung rules dun sa pagtanggap eh. Anong pwedeng tanggapin? Especially in
pag
kind.
in kind is okay. Below a certain value.
Below a certain value.
Below a
May
certain
ganun
value,
yun eh.
yes.
Yung iba kasi
food,
ayaw ng
okay.
cash, bigay ka na lang ng produkto. Hermes bag.
Hindi pwede
Diba?
yun.
Yung gano'n na lang. Dahil, minsan kasi
Sobra na mayaman nun.
Minsan nakakukan ka pag cash eh. Pero kung, halimbawa,
Mga,
maganda yung
mga
bag,
Hermes yun sa Green Hills.
Or a Lexus.
Ah.
diba?
O susi lang, susi.
Very subtle. I like that. Mali, small box lang here.
Diba?
Susi lang bigay
Very
sa'yo.
subtle. Oo.
Nung nasa Reuters, meron kaming policy. Yung sa gifts, dapat not over $50.
That's 2.5, thereabouts.
Oo. Kasi Reuters kaya
Gift yun hindi yun cash. So, iba kasi kalakalan pag cash.
Gift, oo.
Cash talaga, nega yung cash. Ang
Oo.
gifts,
Walang
usually
cash.
nagsiset ng
Oo.
standard dyan yung newsroom.
Pero, Ami, nagkaroon na ba ng pagkakataon na mga news agencies or outfits ay nagpapa-lifestyle check para masigurado na yung kanilang mga employee ay walang 10 luxury cars, walang
Makikita
mga
mo naman
mansyon.
kagad yun.
Nangyari
If
na
you
ba
know
yan?
your employees. Makikita mo kagad kung sino yung mga yung mga
High
living
flying.
beyond their means. Oo. Hanggang ngayon naman kilala ko sino yung mga yun.
Pero hindi naman sila
Hanggang ngayon?
hindi sila napapagalitan eh. 'Di ba? Hindi naman sila natatanggal dahil sikat sila. Asset sila doon sa company.
Meron kang
May presumption of innocence.
sabi ng nanay ko, if you have nothing good to say, don't say it. Para yan yung mga district engineer, talagang it pays to be a crook dito.
And
May
there are
napuntahan nga akong birthday
may
party
mga
eh.
may
Halos
visible.
kalahati ng Taipan sa buong Pilipinas nandun eh. Hindi mo iisipin na isang journalist yung nag-birthday. Akala mo yung nag-birthday, bilyonaryo. Dahil nandun yung
Kaya nga
mahigit kalahati.
mahalata mo naman, madali mo namang malaman.
Mahigit
Madaling
kalahati.
malaman sa journalist. Meron kami certain income level eh. Kapag mas doon halatang halata eh.
actually madaling
Madaling
kung tayo
makita yan.
nag-uusap, madalas alam natin kung sino yung medyo alanganan, sino
Yeah.
hindi. Yung nga lang kasi there's always a matter of proving something eh.
Yun nga lang, oo. Sabi
Hindi,
niya,
pero-
"Ay, may negosyo yung
But that's
ko, yung
legally.
spouse ko, or
That's legally,
You don't
whatever."
have to prove it
Ganon.
legally.
Also, you cannot remove them from their job unless you have otherwise malilibor ka eh. I had that problem before. I was looking for a way to remove somebody because of those issues.
Suspicion,
Oo.
Suspicion. Sa
Talagang
katandaan niya, pareho din yan ng sa
shouting
gobyerno.
appeal ready na-
Walang pinipirmahan, walang fingerprint, walang aamin.
But it's not even
Hirap siya.
it's not even just suspicion anymore. Because suspicion it can be, I suspect you, but I know nothing. But in some cases, alam mo na because there are witnesses who would testify to that.
I'll give you an
Right?
example. Meron kasing rule na do not accept cash, but if it's really, really unavoidable, okay, take it, turn it over to the office, we will
Idodonate,
donate it,
correct.
get a receipt, and give the receipt to the donor.
Pero
Ganon.
kailan yung sinasabi mo na hindi mo maiiwasan na tumanggap?
May mga ganun, Bok. May mga ganun.
Like what ka? Ang problema
Ay,
kasi
kasi,
dyan, pag tumanggap
alam
ka,
mo,
you're now part of the
I
system.
mahirap
know,
pag,
I know.
ah,
It's very subjective.
Oo,
It's
naka-
very
naka- lang
subjective.
eh. No, kumbaga sa reporting ay kasama ka na sa report nila.
Oo.
No, yun yung problema.
Which is why the process should be you secure a receipt and turn the receipt over to
Pero,
source.
Pero, alimbawa, very limited yung ganyang self-regulation.
Yeah.
Most, wala niyan eh. Alimbawa, meron akong kilala, may 15 luxury cars na journalist.
Sobra na yun.
Oh. Yun, very, lantad na lantad yun. Pero, anong gagawin mong rules doon? Anong gagawin mong may batas ba ron?
Actually, walang batas.
Wala nga, wala
Kasi
nga ron eh.
Hindi naman covered ng anti-graft and corrupt practices Act
Oo,
yan eh.
di ba?
Hindi,
Yun nga sinasabi ko. Unlike government
pero may-
employees kasi may batas eh. Di ba? O kaya kahit yung mga corporate.
So doon mo kailangan siyang
Sa media, wala.
Doon mo siya kailangan hulihin. Ako, may nahuli ako, but meron akong hinuhuli dati na hindi ko mahuli-huli. So, I did the Al Capone route.
Which is,
I found another reason to take a person out.
yeah.
Pero yung mga malalaki kasing mga companies, lalo na media companies, lalo na kung yung concerned ay star journalist or star newscaster, or gagalawin mo ba yon? Company ka capitalist company ka. Ang habol mo ay
Sabi ng capitalist
to make money. Diba? Yung ganyan bang mga practices ay masama para sa company mo? Iba yung rules eh. No?
Now
Iba
you're
yung-
looking at it from a commercial
Yes.
angle,
Exactly.
right? So yun yung problema.
Unless ma-demonize yung company because of this individual. No?
Well, of course, hindi yun, that's unavoidable because, okay, so one argument that people are making, for instance, right now is iba yung personal vlog sa persona on air or public persona, right? Mahihiwalay mo pa ba yun in this day and age of social
Hindi.
media, right? One is more or less the
Empleyado
equivalent to
ka,
the other,
dito,
right?
hindi.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you still make
Tsaka
that
ano eh,
distinction?
Ikaw na yung mukha nung stasyon eh.
Yung istasyon.
Di ba?
Yeah.
You can't avoid it na
Hindi ka magagalaw.
I mean, I can't say na, okay, I have different standards for the rest of my life, pero pagdating sa StoryCon, 4 to 5 every day, this is my persona. And then outside of that, I'm a different person. You can't, I mean, I don't think it's you can't make that distinction anymore in this day and age, right?
Katulad din na may ibang mga ahensya ay pag may nagreklamo ng sexual harassment, iba yung treatment nila kaysa sa iba. Dahil nga, itong taong ito ay makakabawas doon sa kita ng kumpanya pag tinanggal nila. So, papagpagin lang nila yung sexual harassment case. May mga iba, talagang paparusahan. Pero may mga iba ay,
Because ang hindi mo nakikita...
charge you to experience. Parang gano'n,
Kasi hindi mo nakita is the company is trying to protect its commercial interest.
Yes.
Then there's also the commercial
But it's
angle
also
to this.
in the interest of the company to say that our ranks are good, our ranks are clean, and if it's not, we always make the effort, the substantive effort to clean it up.
Kaya nga, pero hindi lahat ng company gano'n. Bilang naman sinasabi ko.
Without implying anything.
Hindi lahat ng company gano'n. May mga iba akong kilala na company na mas tolerant sa sexual harassment kaysa iba.
Meron.
Mukhang dumagal.
Naharas ako. Naharas ako.
Teka, ang misis ko nagtatanong, sino raw yung journalist na merong 55 cars, sabi ng iyong seatmate?
55?
15.
15. 15 pala,
15.
hindi 55.
15, hindi 55.
Sino 15?
15 luxury cars.
Sino nga?
Hindi pwede, ikaw naman, hindi pwede
Sabi din ng nanay niya, if you have nothing good to say, don't
It's
say
just-
it.
Tago na lang, sabi nga ni Ami, kung wala ka masasabi.
It's
No?
just us. It's just
Baka-
bilong mo.
Sabi ng nanay ni Ami.
Bilong mo.
Kung wala ka mabuti masasabi. Ako, I'm almost sure, baka kilala ni Ami yun.
Oh, really?
Ako, mukhang kilala ko.
Practicing
tiyan mo?
pa.
Tiyan mo?
Practicing pa. Till now.
Oo.
Until now.
Oo.
So just to be clear, it has to be clear to everybody in this industry. Ano yung
Hindi, kaya nga, anong norms?
pwede,
Ano bang
hindi.
norms nyo eh? Parang gray area yung norms eh. Eh, ano ngayon, kung meron akong luxury cars? No? Ano ba nilalabag ko? No? Eh, nakuha ko yan.
Ano?
Di naman ako nagpagawa ng flat control.
Hindi naman. Yun na ba yun?
Baka yan ang sasabihin. Baka may iba ako negosyo eh, gano'n.
Oh, so, ano ba yung norms nyo?
For example, if you have so many cars because your wife has a different business. Ako, I live in a village that's not your normal village, not because I earn anything in this company.
Eh, hindi na sabi ng mga diskaya eh.
Hindi.
Ang dami namin negosyo eh.
Hindi ah.
Malalaman mo naman.
Ang dami namin negosyo eh, di ba? Kaya meron kami 40 luxury cars, di ba?
Hindi. They're all... But maraming negosyo, but they're all in construction. Right?
Since they joined DPWH now, I suppose
Eh,
they
inamin
will have
naman
been
nila.
the bidding.
Right?
But
Inamin naman nila.
tsaka ibang usapan yung Diskayas.
Iba yun.
We're talking about
Ang pinag-uusapan
media
kasi natin
ethics.
sa media ay hindi talaga mga batas. Ang pinag-uusapan natin ay a moral code.
the self-regulation.
Ibig sabihin,
Ethics code.
a moral code ay usually walang parusa dyan. Maliban dun sa pagtingin ng iyong mga kasama sa community. Di ba?
In olden days, it was the Inquisition.
Marami naman walang pakialam sa pagtingin ng mga kasama sa community. Basta meron silang grasya, di ba?
Correct.
Kaya iba yung usapin dito sa community nyo kaysa dun sa mga gobyerno, sa negosyo, sa military, di ba? May
Kaya
iba yung
nga, that's
rules
the
eh.
problem. Because everything is self-regulatory, right? So, we're under KBP, for instance. Pero pati KBP is all
And not everybody's under
self-regulatory.
KBP.
Yeah, and not everybody joined KBP.
Kwento ko lang, kasi last week I was absent. I was in Davao. We were having a workshop with the PNP.
Absent ka ba? Hindi ko napansin.
Visit ka. May workshop kami with the PNP, Police Media Relations. So, at one point, lahat ng issue ng mga police, ilabas ninyo with the media. So, dami, mga biases, mga ganon, taking sides, ganon, inaccuracy, fake news, ganon. So, habang diskusyon, sabi ko, so, wala sa inyong mag-raise ng issue ng ganon? Ganun sila lahat, oh. Parang, na-relieve silang lahat. Parang, nahiyakas kami sabihin sa iyo yan dahil
So, it's a problem there, Dave.
it's a huge problem for them. Sabi nga ng isa, minsan ayoko pumasok kasi limang reporter nakapila sa labas.
Oh, what does that mean?
Nag-aaba.
Sabihin yung humihingi.
Ganon.
Okay.
ng paiyakan. Oo. Ganon. Eh, ikaw, alam mo, officer ka, ayaw mo mapasama ka sa mga news, eh, magbibigay
Papatak ka.
Oo, magbibigay.
Ang tanong, saan mo kukunin yung pera?
Oo. So, para sa kanila,
Sa intelihensya.
nagiging burden din.
Ano indulhensya?
Intelihensya.
Intelihensya, okay.
Intelihensya.
Intelihensiya. Oh!
Intel.
Confidential funds, ganun.
Oh, well,
Hindi,
they don't call
galing sa gambling lord.
Okay.
Kung ikaw ay
Is that
ninja cop, wala kang problema. Marami kang extra na pambigay.
Oh.
Pero kung ikaw ay
Matino.
kumukuha ka lang sa weteng, medyo kapos yun.
So how can you blame
Quoting
policemen?
is big money.
How can you blame policemen who
Doon sa
have
mga
sidelines?
sa mga matataas, yung mga karaniwang pulis, hindi ganun kataas yun. Meron din sila.
How can you blame the policemen?
How can you blame policemen
For
if they
their
have sidelines
suspicions about the media?
when they also have to pander to the needs of the media, the financial needs of the media?
Parang it's a system parang itong flood control.
Everything feeds into everything
it's a
else.
system, di ba?
It's a whole
Yung tao sa
ecosystem.
gobyerno, parang yung contractor, parang Sinapoles, siya yung fulcrum sa lahat. Ikaw yung tigabigay sa politiko, sa tiga DPWH, no? Sa media, no? Dahil parang sindikato yan Isa siyang sistema. Siya yung nasa gitna, yung mga tipo ni Napoles. Yan yung nagbibigay. Or in this case, mga contractors. No? Sila yung nagtatahi ng lahat ng yan. Secure nila yung bayad nila, pero magbibigay sila sa lahat.
Marami din silang kailangan.
Oo. Kaya nung
Si Nico Bawa, may pinost.
Oo.
Yung dating reporter ng ABS-CBN, Nico Bawa.
Yes. Paano pinagmamalaki ng Napoles dati yan na meron akong mga sahuran ng mga media. Hindi yan tinatago yan. So, hindi lang mga politiko yung inaalagaan niya. Hindi lang mga tao sa gobyerno yung inaalagaan niya. No? May mga law enforcers din siyang inaalagaan para hindi siya hulihin. At meron din siya mga media na inaalagaan para hindi siya banatan. No? Dahil halos open secret kasi yung ginagawa ni Napoles sa pork barrel. Parang lahat, alam yan Yung iba nga, pinagmamalaki pa yan No? Kaya, kailangan mo ng proteksyon. At bahagi ng proteksyon ay hindi lang mga law enforcers. Media.
That's what Senator Win Gatchalian called this, yung flood control mess. Sabi niya, it's an open secret. Yung problems with DPWH, problems with the insertions, where the money went, mga ghost projects, and so on and so forth.
Ghostman
Well, baka magunin tayo. Anyway, we bring this up kasi there's a need for introspection then for this.
A lot of
this
self-reflection.
profession.
Actually, community yan. Dahil kung ikaw lang,
Yeah. Tayo lang. Echo chamber lang tayo.
kailangan may community pressure.
Well, the community has first to come together and agree on a set
Yes.
of standards governing our industry,
Yeah,
right?
that's what I meant.
And agree on what we will stand for and what we will not accept.
Yes.
And if everyone can come together and do that, then we're in a good place, right? That's the only way to move forward.
Unity.
Introspection is good. Pero pero kailangan maging communal yung introspection.
Ayan na yung wise words of wisdom to close off this holiday. Thank you for joining StoryCon today. Ami Pamituan, Editor-in-Chief of the Philippine Star, Ronald Llamas, our resident political pundit, and Manny Mogoto, One News Defense Editor. Join us again tomorrow, 4 p.m. StoryCon. I'm Regina Lay.
I'm Madeline Gao. We are One News, all sides, all the time.